Okay, part C. Let M be this function. Find M prime of 2. So M prime of x, I need the product rule now because I have two factors multiplying. So it's h of x multiplied by the derivative of g of negative 2x plus g of negative 2x times the derivative of h of x so that means M prime of x will equal h of x. Okay, the derivative of g of 2x is going to use the chain rule again. So that's going to be g prime of negative 2x multiplied by the derivative of the negative 2x. That's the chain rule. Plus g of negative 2x, and then the derivative of h is simply h prime of x. Okay, if I get that far, one more step. I think if I get that far, they'll probably give you 1 point. The scoring guide says 2 points if you get this next line. But if you got to that blue line above, I think they'd give you one of the two. So you're going to get h of x, g prime of negative 2x, and then the derivative of negative 2x is just negative 2. So I'm going to put that over here because when you're multiplying, it doesn't matter the order. So this is M prime of x is going to equal negative 2 times that. And I'm a little bit high again. I don't know if I'll be able to move this, but we'll try. Nope, it's grabbing too much. We'll just kind of cheat here. Oops, back. So then this goes plus, that's it. That's just g of negative 2x multiplied by h prime of x. So 2 points if you get to that spot. One of the two if you perhaps got to here. Now we have to plug in the 2 there. We ended up moving something we didn't want to move. Put that back. Okay, so plug everything in. So let's copy this. And do a little erasing to get some space. Okay, so M prime when x is equal to 2 will be negative 2 multiplied by h of 2 multiplied by g prime of negative 2 times 2 plus g of negative 2 times 2 h prime of 2. I do have to resolve all these function references to get the point, so I keep going. Negative 2. I just write everything out. It's a lot safer. This is h. Oh, that's kind of yucky. 2. This line goes over 1, down 1 over 3. So it goes down 1 over 3. So if I go over 2, I'm going down 2/3. So that point is 2 comma negative 2/3. So h of 2 is negative 2/3. The good news is I don't have to multiply those together, so don't really care about that. So, just making sure I didn't make a mistake here on the scoring guide. So now I need to multiply by g prime of negative 4, which is negative 1. I can leave it like that, so that's good news. Plus, oops, come on. Plus g of negative 4, which is 5. And then h prime of 2, we already found that earlier. That was the negative 1/3 because that was the slope we found here. So I can stop there. If I have all that written in, they give me one more point. You don't want to keep going. You want to stop. Even if you can use your calculator, you still should stop because it takes time and you might type something wrong. If you don't get the negative 3, they won't give you this point. But if you stop here, it will give you that point. So this problem was worth a total of 3 points, 2 points for getting to here, and then 1 more point for getting to here. So 3 points total on part C.